Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete a playlist on Spotify, music management step by step clearly. Open the Spotify app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure you are logged in to the correct Spotify account. Go to your library to see all your saved music and playlists. Select the Playlists section to view your playlist list clearly. Find the playlist you want to delete and open it. Confirm that it is the correct playlist by checking the name and songs. If you are on mobile, tap the three dots menu on the playlist page. If you are on desktop, click the three dots menu near the playlist title. In the menu, look for the option called Delete or Delete Playlist. If you do not see Delete, check if the playlist is created by you. Remember that you can only delete playlists that you created yourself. For playlists made by others, you can remove them by selecting Remove from your library. On mobile, choose Remove from your library if it is not your playlist. On desktop, choose Remove from your library if it is not your playlist. When you choose Delete, Spotify will show a confirmation message. Read the confirmation message carefully to avoid deleting the wrong playlist. Tap or click Delete again to confirm the permanent removal. Wait a moment for Spotify to apply the change and update your library. Go back to your library and refresh the view if the playlist still appears. On mobile, you can close and reopen the app to refresh quickly. On desktop, you can switch to another tab and return to playlists to refresh. If you accidentally deleted a playlist, check immediately if you can undo on desktop using Edit and Undo. If undo is not available, try looking for a similar playlist you might have followed instead of created. To prevent mistakes next time, consider renaming playlists you plan to delete with a clear label first. Also consider removing songs one by one if you only want to clean a playlist, not delete it. Double check that your favorite playlists are followed or backed up before deleting anything. Repeat the same process for any other playlists you want to remove from your account. Keep your library organized by deleting unused playlists and keeping only what you listen to. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.